Hello folks, this is a quick review of the UPGR8 silicone coupler. This is going on my Yamaha WaveRunner. I'm replacing the exhaust with a straight pipe and this elbow. This is a 90-degree elbow, and it's a 3-inch diameter leading to a 2.5-inch diameter. It's 5 millimeters thick, and this is a 4-ply. There are some that are 5-ply, but they're also the same 5 millimeter thickness. So I don't know if that makes a big of a difference or not. It's pretty sturdy, and it's rated that the minimum temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and of course we want hotness. We want to see what the max temperature is, and the max temperature states that it's 400. It can withhold 428 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is going to go on my Yamaha WaveRunner. This is a 90-degree elbow, 3-inch diameter to a 2.5-inch diameter. Thanks for watching.